Come on, calm down, Delore. Oh my god, I almost just threw up. I'm watching a video, and it was like a guy's Snapchat that was like, great party with my girl, and it shows her taking a pretty decent swig of vodka, and then grabs him and pulls him in to kiss, and then he pulls away and he has throw up dripping out of his mouth because she threw up in his mouth when they went to kiss. Yeah. I know, I would, like, I know there's no reason to ever hit a woman, but there's reasons you want to, and that's one of them.
Damn it! Taking damage!
Exactly. I don't have a weapon. Oh. Sorry to take that from you.
That's what happens when
Uh-oh, there's people up here. Uh-oh, he's got a Devo.
Uh-oh, I'm coming. I got...
Reloading.
Shielding your insert?
Uh-oh! Oh!
Enemy down.
You got someone coming from your rumpus?
Why can't I... There we go.
Reloading. Cracked an enemy. Not me. What?
Your stream remote off, you shit.